Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Placement Wala, and we are with very special guest, and his name is Arnab. He got his job in TCS having a salary of 7 lakh per annum. So, hi Arnab, I would like you to please introduce yourself.
Hi, I am Arnab. So I am from Kolkata and I am doing currently my BTech in Information Technology from Calcutta University. Previously, I have also done BSc in Computer Science, and here I am a lateral entry person. So I have got selected in TCS Digital recently.
Okay, so here Arnab will talk about everything like his preparation for the test, what was his interview experience and everything. So one by one we'll discuss everything. So Arnab, what was your preparation journey for this test? How you prepared for it? What material you used? What resources you used? And what was your like core topics? In what topics you had to work more? So yeah, we will talk about this.
As we got to know from our placement cell that TCS will be start hiring, so but the first thing that came into mind was that the aptitude portion, because I am good in coding, so that thing is doesn't matters to me because I teach a lot of children's programmings. So the coding was not a factor. So the first thing came into mind is that aptitude, and there I need to practice the mathematical portions a lot of times. So once I start preparing for it, so I just went to YouTube, and there I found a lot of videos, but the most helpful was of the Pratik sir's video, that I actually followed the whole series, means that what he has made of the all numerical ones and the short tricks and tips that he has given. So that actually helped me a lot in cracking that numerical aptitude test from there. And for the coding purpose, I just went to Hacker Rank, and then I just practiced the things there. And just it was a little bit brush up the day before the coding, the TCS NQT, and this is how I actually prepared for TCS NQT.
Okay, so what was the role of online study for you in your preparation? We would love to know.
Yes, the online study for you has given a lot of things to me. Means from the free video content that they have, that Pratik sir have started. So there all the types of aptitude test and everything was covered, and uh, from there, as I said, that it helped me crack the NQT written test. But after the written test, when actually I got to know that I got selected for digital interview, so at that time, one day I saw a video of Pratik sir where he was saying that, means this 400 rupees course is nothing. If you get a salary of 7 LPA, you can get more 400 rupees every day.
Yeah.
So that inspired me a lot, and I actually got that placement, that interview preparation kit for TCS NQT. And actually that course helped me a lot, because there I found a lot of data sets of the Kolkata locations, means the previous last 2-3 years interviews, question and all those things. So from there I actually created some data sets, and I could understood that what the questions are going to come. So that helped me a lot in guessing the things. Means my friends were preparing aimlessly, I can see, at the day of interview, and I was very chilled the day of interview, that I know that what kind of questions are going to come in Kolkata region. Means the record was very clear. Means as I have seen there, means I'm giving you an example, that the hardest question that was being asked in Kolkata was, you do a bubble sort or like these things if in the technical round, okay, and all the sorting types of things they ask usually. And that actually helped me that this much I have to prepare for the NQT test. So actually, and then also HR and MR questions were also in similar kind only, because they were just repeating. Only the MR round was a little bit tough during my, because he was asking some tricky questions to me, but still I managed to answer, and he was fine with that.
Okay, so we will talk about this more, like what was your interview experience? What questions were asked? Were they very tricky, very easy? How you answered them? And like mainly what happened when you entered the room, how many like panel was there, so like this thing, like whole interview process, what happened, you can if you can tell us step by step what happened exactly.
Yes, actually, as it was a priority institute hiring, so it was the TCS came to our college
Okay.
instead of going to their campus. So they actually, when we got into the campus, so it was a little bit stress of thing because I was feeling a little bit nervous because it was my first offline interview. Because in BSc, while doing BSc, I have given interviews, but they were all online interviews, and I have to keep myself in back of a screen. That gives
Okay.
me a confidence. But
Hmm.
this time the things were not like that. It was a face-to-face interview, and TCS actually sent a lot of panel members. Means there were around 7 to 8 panel that were set up, and in
Mhm.
each panel there were 3 persons. One was TR, one was HR, and one was MR. So gradually I was in around number fifth to give the interview. So my interview went very early, means as the number went, so I have to wait only for 1 to 2 hours in the beginning only, from 9 p.m. from 9 a.m. to 11,
Okay.
and then my interview went for around 20 to 25 minutes. I think I was lucky because other persons who were giving interview were taking around 1 hour, something like this, or
Okay.
40 minutes or 50 minutes. They were being asked questions.
Okay, so what was the question type? How you tackle them? They were tricky one or they were easy? Something about that.
Actually, the TR round was very easy because they asked me to solve a pattern, inverted pattern, using any programming language that I prefer. So I did it with Java, and then they asked me some database related questions. So they asked about what is the full form of C in the asset properties, and they gave me some tables from the DVMS, and they asked me to join the table and then give some query as
Mm-hmm.
a output. So this was the tier round. The tier round was very easy. So for a person who is having a background of IT or CS, so he can easily clear the tier round. I think so. Means a person who have cleared TCS NQT can easily clear the tier round in the interview also. The HR round was very casual. Means my HR round was done before the MR round.
Okay.
So yes. So she was asking just normal questions that where I stay and what do I do. So I just answered honestly that I teach students and all those things, and they were very interested about the fact that how I manage time and all those things. So after the HR round was done, they were very good to go. Means HR was very happy.
Mm-hmm.
So after it was an MR round, and the MR round was a bit confusing because the MR was asking some tricky questions to know the whatever the situation is that I can cope up or not, I can answer or not. The main thing that we were seeing that whether I am answering or I am just saying no, I can't answer this thing. So he actually asked me some questions that suppose if I am set to a Stone Age time and other persons have made square shaped wheels or triangle shaped wheels, any shaped wheels, and my company has made a round shaped wheel. So how should I market that? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So actually, I told that okay, we'll have a F1 race of carts where my cart will win because of its round shape, and people will gradually shift to that thing, means the round wheels only. And then he was happy with the answer, and he was asking some probability related questions. They were just like general aptitude questions. So one of the questions that I was unable to answer, I so he told me okay, it's not problem, but
Mm-hmm.
actually he was seeing that I am giving a try or not. This is the thing.
So, okay, like about what I got from interview on that day was just looking if you're putting your efforts or not. You're
Yes,
just
yes,
not
yes, yes.
easily giving up, trying to give answers. So,
Yes,
if you will be in the workspace, you will have some targets. You will not simply give up. You will try your best to, like, make
yes,
the
yes.
things happen. So it was very interesting interview round story, and this is it. We are We are very overwhelmed to have you, and we are very happy for you and very excited for you as well that you do big things in life. Thank you so much for coming to this platform and giving us this good result. And we are very happy, we are very proud, and we wish you a luck for future. Do great things. Thank you so much.